In the graph here, we have two functions. We have the kind of pinkish g of x, and then the other function is f of x. So both of these functions have a variable x, so we're going to be looking for these values on the x-axis. Functions themselves are given the value of y. We assign the value of y to the value of a function at that point. For f, you're going to look for the blue graph and on the blue graph, and then for g, you're going to look on the pinkish dotted graph. So let's look at our expressions. Our first expression calls for two things, for g at -2 and f at 3. The expression itself calls for 5 times something something minus 8 times something something. And just to color code you and remind you that something something for 8 is from the blue graph, and that something something for g, which comes after 5, would be this. Well, let's get this right. 5 is multiplied by something something from this pinkish graph. So let's look for g at -2. -2 is here, and I'm going up to my pinkish graph to find what my g at -2 is. That would be 4. So this point is g at -2. It equals 4, so I go up here. That's going to be 4. 5 times 4. Minus 8, and then function of f at 3. F at 3, so I'm going to look for 3. It's right here. And I'm going to go to f, which is the blue graph. That's right here. That is -2. So this point, f at 3, is -2. Minus 8 times f at 3, which we just determined was -2. So then my expression evaluates to, this is 20. -8 times -2 is 16. Equals 36. My second expression is -2 times g at 3 minus f at -4. And all of that is divided by 2. So I'm going to prepare my expression so that I can just plug in those unknown numbers that are unknown just for now. So it's divided by 2. It's -2 times something something minus another something something. G of 3, again going back to the graph and go up to g. That's 2. So this right here, g of 3, which equals 2. So I'm going to go up and put 2 right here. And then minus f at -4. Well, -4 is right here. -4. And I'm going down to my blue graph. That is -2. So that point right here is f at -4, which amounts to -2. Going back to my expression, minus f at -4 was -2. So my total expression evaluates to, -2 times 2 is -4. Minus -2 is plus 2 over 2. So that becomes -2 over 2, which is -1. Boom. So we evaluated function expressions from their graphs. So you can go to Khan Academy, practice more, or you can just look at the attached file where I will have one graph from Khan Academy, and I will ask you to evaluate 4 different expressions from that one graph. Or you can practice this activity on Khan Academy. It's up to you. Whatever you would like to do, you are the boss.